I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use True Tone on your iPhone's display, which adapts the color balance of your display to the ambient light.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step 1 is to open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and select Display and Brightness. Look for the True Tone setting and make sure to toggle that option on. Now your display will automatically adjust its colors based on the lighting around you. And for example, this means that under warm indoor light, the screen may appear slightly warmer or more yellow, making it easier on your eyes. Now, if you prefer the original colors for tasks like photo editing, where the true color matters, you can toggle the True Tone off and then you can see the difference. Now, with True Tone on, your iPhone screen will always look natural to you in different lighting environments.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.